Jabo. Ready? Assalamu alaikum. My dear learners, my dear students. I am again before you, and I really feel honored and respected to be present here again. Today, I will explain to you some most vital words, some most vital WH words which are very essential whenever we will start to converse with our friends, our near and dear ones. So that's why the words which I have been using here, the words which I have been explaining right now, all are very vital, all are very essential. Thank you everyone. Today, now let's go to our whiteboard. First one, today I have given the heading of some WH word with prepositions. In last class, I have also discussed about some WH word with prepositions. But today, I will explain some WH word with preposition in a different type of way. Okay? Hope you understand. Now, first one, in first categories, I have written some WH words. Then I have written its Bengali meaning. Now let's discuss one after another. Look at the first one. The first one, hot type of. Hot type of is very common. We often use these words whenever we will start to converse with our friends, with our friend circles, and with our sirs, or with our madams, or with our near and dear ones, even with our relatives. Whenever we will ask about the type of any work, then in that situation we can use hot type of. Look at the first one, hot type of. That means ki dhoroner. Suppose a Bengali sentence. I have already told you that in my class I will use some Bengali words, some Bengali sentences, and I will show you how to translate those Bengali sentences into English in forming questions. Now, hot type of. Suppose that means ki dhoroner. Suppose I am giving you an example. তুমি কি ধরনের মানুষের সঙ্গে সাক্ষাৎ করছো আর করিতেছো. So it's a present continuous tense. What type of persons are you meeting? Look at the sentence. Look at the first one. What type of persons? কি ধরনের মানুষের সঙ্গে. This may be singular or plural. That's no matter. What type of person or persons are you meeting? তুমি কি ধরনের মানুষের সঙ্গে সাক্ষাৎ করছো. So what type of always indicates the type of any works, or the type of any persons, or the type of any things. You should remember this line. The second one, what sort of. It also describes the type of work or type of person. What type of is basically used for persons, and what sort of basically used for things. Okay, what sort of books are you preferring? Look at the example very carefully. You should always be concentrated whenever I will explain some words, some sentences. Then you can easily understand what I am saying to you. Now, the second one, what sort of. That means ki dhoroner. I have given an example. What sort of books are you preferring? তুমি কি ধরনের বই পছন্দ করছো. Okay. Now, number 3, hot type. Only hot type. I have already used hot type. Here I have also written hot type. Now example, I am pronouncing example. Hot type of man is he. Okay. Hot type of man is he. সে কি ধরনের মানুষ. So this is also important. Hot then তাহলে. Suppose any kind of work has already been done. Any work has already been done, and you cannot decide what will be done later. So any person, suppose you are in indecision condition, suppose you are in indecision situation, you cannot decide what will be done next, what will be done later after these works. So in that situation, you may put questions by using or then. Or then, তাহলে কি? Or then. Shall we start? তাহলে কিভাবে আমরা শুরু করব? Number 5, in what way? In what way? Suppose you are in tough situation, you are in difficult situations, you are in trouble condition, you don't find any way out, and you should put question with the words in what way. Suppose আমরা কিভাবে এই জায়গাটি থেকে বের হব, ওকে, আমরা কিভাবে এই সমস্যাটির সমাধান করব। Now I am giving you example. In what way? In what way shall you go out? In what way? কিভাবে shall we go out? কিভাবে আমরা বাইরে যাব? or in what way will you complete the work? কিভাবে তুমি কাজটি সম্পূর্ণ করবে? or in what way will the girl start the work? কিভাবে বালিকাটি কাজটি শুরু করবে? অথবা তুমি কিভাবে কাজটি সম্পূর্ণ করেছো? in what way have you completed the work? or তুমি কিভাবে অফিসে গিয়েছিলে? in what way did you go to office yesterday? তুমি গতকাল কিভাবে অফিসে গিয়েছিলে? So such kind of question formation will be formed by using in what way. What way is very common. Whenever we will start to converse the type of work, the process of work, how to complete the work, and how to any process in that situation, you should use in what way. That means কিভাবে, okay. You should remember every WH words with preposition and its Bengali meaning should be remembered very clearly in your memory. And whenever you will have a clear idea about the meaning and about the WH words and its proper meaning, there will be no obstacles in ordering your conversation, in starting your conversation with your friends and other persons. So, my dear learners, my dear students, you always be concentrating whenever I will explain something on the board, and the words and the sentences and its Bengali meaning, everything what have been written on the board, you should be clearly noticed. Every sentences, every word should be noticed very clearly. Then you will have a bright idea in your memory. You will have a beautiful and significant idea which will be helpful whenever you will start to converse with your classmates or any other situation, in any other atmosphere. Now next one, at what way, কিভাবে. It's also at what way also describe the process of work, okay. Any point of process, exact point of process, in that situation you will use at what way. Suppose তুমি কিভাবে অফিসে গিয়েছিলে, at what way তুমি কিভাবে অফিসে পৌঁছেছিলে, at what way did you reach office, okay. Look at the sentence very clearly. At what way did you reach office, okay. So these kind of sentences should be noticed very clearly. In which, that means kishe, and whenever it will be used as conjunction, its meaning will be jate. Suppose তুমি কোন পার্টিতে উপস্থিত ছিলে, in which party, in which party were you present? In which party, কোন পার্টিতে were you present, তুমি উপস্থিত ছিলে? So it's a question. I may also use it as a conjunction. Suppose এটা হলো সেই পার্টি যেটাতে আমি উপস্থিত ছিলাম. This is the party in which I was present. So my dear learners, my dear students, you should practice these words. You should form this type of questions more and more whenever you will be with your friends and whenever you will be with your family members. You will continue the practice of forming questions. Then it will be very easier to you to converse with your other persons. Hope you understand. Thank you so much.